Okay, third graders, now we're going to start our first reading of Back of the Bus. And remember, our literacy skill is finding the central message. What is the moral, or what is the story trying to teach us? So as I read during this first read, make sure you're listening and trying to figure out what is the central message of this story going to be. Back of the Bus by Aaron Reynolds, illustrated by Floyd Cooper. December 1st, 1955, Montgomery, Alabama. Winter's here in Montgomery, but I got the window down and a warm breeze blowing in as Mama and me huff down Cleveland Avenue on the big old bus. We're sitting right where we're supposed to, way in the back. I take out my marble, all shiny and bright, like a big old tiger's eye, and lay it on the grooves in the aisles. The bus slows down, and that marble rolls and rolls but a dark hand jumps out from the seat up front and grabs my marble good. But it's just Miss Parks from the tailor shop. She looks back, smiling, flings a wink at me, and sets the marble back in its groove. That bus takes off again, and my marble comes right back to me, like I got it on a string. Mama shakes no at me, and I hold it snug in my hand. She's got them worked all day eyes, but she's got her strong chin on. The bus slams to a stop, doors slinging open, and people piling on, all crammed like lima beans. That long dark aisles are all packed in, jammed up tight, and I'm glad my marble's tucked in safe. Y'all gotta move now. It's Mr. Blake, the driver. I can't see him 'cause of all the people jammed, but I know that growly old voice. Some folks get up, new ones sit down, but still, that bus is sitting there stopped. Why ain't we going, Mama? I says, all soft. Hush, child, she says, and I do. Somebody talking back? But I can't hear the words. Just Mr. Blake saying, I'm gonna call the police now. We sit and sit, not going no place, nothing to do but sweat. So I roll my marble on that sticky old seat and catch it before it goes down the crack. But Mama says, put away, child. I hear Mama's crinkled up something's wrong voice. I hunker that brown tiger's eye down deep into my pocket like it's hidden. Some folks look back, giving us angry eyes. We do something wrong, Mama? I say all soft. No, we ain't, she says, but I ain't sure, 'cause I'm getting shaky legs. Same folks are doing mean scratchy whispers at somebody sitting up front. And then I see who it is way in the back. Miss Parks, that's who. She don't belong up front like that, and them folks all know it. But she's sitting right there, her eyes all fierce, like a lightning storm, like maybe she does belong up there. And I start thinking maybe she does too. 15 whole minutes we sit, but it feels like a bunch more. That breeze is long gone, and I want me a drink real bad. But then the policeman comes. He walks right on the bus. I'm all shaky inside now. Them lima bean people spread aside, and he stops at that way up front seat. Why won't you move and give this man your seat, he says to Miss Parks, but she don't move. She's just sittin' in that seat like a turnip pile. I don't think I should have to stand up, she says. Why do you push us folks around? Her voice is all soft, but she's got on her strong chin too, just like Mama's. The police clicks them metal things on her hands, quick and loud like the screen door slamming, and off the bus they go. More people sit, and the air ain't warm no more. She's getting hauled off to jail or worse. And I'm watching out the window, Mama too, with them long, tired eyes. There you go, Rosa Parks, stirring up the nest of hornets. Mama's saying in her to herself voice, but I hear, I see something too. She's got Miss Parks' lightning storm eyes now. We in trouble, Mama, I say all soft. No, we ain't, she says. Don't you worry none. Tomorrow all this'll be forgotten. But I got something in me, all pale and punchy, saying it won't be. Don't know why, but instead of feeling all shaky, I feel a little strong, like Mama's chin. I take out my marble, and I start to hide it in my squeezy tight fist. But instead, I hold it up to the light, right out in the open. That thing shines all brown and golden in the sunlight, like it's smiling, I think, 'cause it ain't gotta hide no more. Okay, that was the end of the story, Back of the Bus. I will do a second read on the next few slides, and we'll talk about what kind of lesson is the boy learning from Rosa Parks. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next few slides.